Welcome to Computer Code God channel. Today's topic: software versus hardware. The differences between software and hardware. Software. Software is a set of instructions and documentation which tells a computer what to do, when to perform, and how to perform a task. Hardware. Physical parts or components of a computer are called hardware. Software. Software is divided into system software. System software is designed to run a computer hardware and provides a platform for applications to run on top of. Application software. An application software is software that fulfills a specific need or perform a specific task. Programming software. Programming software which provides the programming tools software developers need. Hardware. Hardware is divided into input devices. It accepts data from user. Output devices. It displays processed data to user. Storage devices. The area where data is stored. Internal parts. Software. Software is logical in nature. We can use them, but we can't touch them. Hardware. Hardware is physical in nature. Electronic device that can be touched. Software. It is developed by writing codes and instructions by using a programming language. The phases of software development lifecycle include planning, analysis, design, development, testing, implementation, and maintenance. Hardware. It is manufactured or constructed using electronic and other materials, physical parts. Modern-day computer systems usually contain hardware components like motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, memory such as RAM and ROM, cache memory and flash memory, ports, expansion slots, secondary storage such as hard disk drives, CD-ROMs, input-output devices, and communication devices. Software. The program accepts input, interprets it in machine-level language, and sends it to hardware for additional processing. Hardware. Only machine language is known to be understood by hardware. Software. Software can't be executed without hardware. Hardware. Hardware can't perform any task without software. Software. Software does not wears out over a period of time. Hardware. Hardware wears out over a time. Software. It can be reinstalled using the backup copy when corrupted. Hardware. When damaged or broken physically, it can be replaced with a new part or component. Software. Software is affected by computer viruses, malware, and worms. Examples: Creeper, Trojan horse, Morris worm, etc. Hardware. Hardware is not affected by virus, worm, and malware. Software. Software can be transferred via a network. Hardware. Hardware can't be transferred from one place to another electrically through the network. Software. Examples: Windows, MS-DOS, Linux, Unix, C, C++, Java, Python, MS Office, drivers softwares, antivirus softwares, WinZip, WinRAR, Chrome, Safari, etc. Hardware: keyboard, mouse, scanner, speakers, printer, hard disk, CPU, RAM, ROM, motherboard, light pen, joystick, sound card, etc. Like, share, subscribe. Computer Code channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.